Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of your favorite gadgets. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's been bugging LG soundbar owners: the subwoofer blinking green. If you've got a 2025 model or something similar, don't worry. We've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions. Let's jump right in. First off, why is that green light blinking? It usually signals a connection problem between your soundbar and the subwoofer. This could be due to interference from other devices, a loose wireless link, or even a software glitch. It's not uncommon, especially in busy home setups with Wi-Fi routers and smart devices everywhere. But hey, the good news is that most of these issues are easy to fix at home. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the subwoofer is plugged in properly and within range of the soundbar. Ideally, no more than 30 feet away. Sometimes, just repositioning it can do the trick. Next, try resetting the subwoofer. Hold down the pairing button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash, then repair it with your soundbar. You can find the exact steps in your user manual, but it's straightforward. If that doesn't work, let's dig a bit deeper. Power cycle everything. Turn off your soundbar, subwoofer, and TV, wait 30 seconds, and turn them back on. This often clears temporary glitches. Also, check for firmware updates on the LG website or through the LG app. Outdated software can cause weird behavior like this blinking light. One more thing. Interference might be the culprit. Move any cordless phones, microwaves, or other electronics away from your setup, as they can disrupt the wireless signal. If you're still seeing that green blink after these steps, it could indicate a hardware issue, so consider reaching out to LG support. There you have it. Quick fixes for your LG soundbar subwoofer problem. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video, and thanks for watching.